Who is Oshimmiri, the Igbo water goddess? In Igbo spirituality, few forces are as well encompassing as Oshimmiri, the great water goddess, who is known by many names across different Igbo communities. Oshimmiri represents the supreme energy of water, the divine feminine power that flows through and controls both the physical and spiritual realms of water. She is Nemmiri, the mother of all water energies, and her presence ripples across rivers, streams, lakes. She is the ocean itself. It is impossible to escape her presence or influence, as to speak of water is to speak of Oshimmiri. Please note that in this post, we will use the terms Oshimmiri and Nemmiri interchangeably. The many names and faces of Oshimmiri. Like water itself, Oshimmiri, Nemmiri, is fluid, ever-changing and multifaceted. Depending on the region and how her energy is channeled, she is known by various names. She also goes by different titles which highlight multiple aspects of her divine essence. Some of them include Idemmili, the pillar of water; Nne Oshimmiri, mother of the waters; Ezewanyi, the queen mother or high priestess, an embodiment of regal feminine power; Alanazunwa, the cosmic breast that nurtures or sustains her children; Nneoma, most beautiful and benevolent mother; Nwaanyi Isi Ajata, the supreme dreadlocked woman or goddess; Agbomma, the graceful and enchanting one; Agbala, the powerful, untamed or primordial feminine spirit or cosmic force; Ijele, the magnificent one, symbolizing grandeur and spiritual authority; Nwaanyi ji eke eme jigida, the woman who adorns herself with the royal python. Each one of these titles reveals a layer of Oshimmiri's boundless nature, showing how she weaves herself into the cultural and spiritual fabric of Igbo reality. The ever-present energy of Nemmiri. One of the most striking truths about Oshimmiri is that no one can escape her reach. As long as a person drinks water, they are tied to her. She is both the physical body of water, the oceans, rivers, and streams, and the spiritual waters that allow us to journey into the human realm of existence. In Odinani, water, beyond being a physical element, is also perceived as a portal, a bridge between worlds, and Oshimmiri governs both sides of that reality. Wherever there is water in Igbo land, there is a deity which is a direct manifestation of Nemmiri. These deities serve as localized expressions of Oshimmiri's boundless power, guiding and protecting those who honor them. Oshimmiri and the divine feminine. Oshimmiri embodies the divine feminine energy in all its glory, as a direct incarnation of the manifestation of Nnechukwu, source energy, as water in our world. Fertility, sexuality, beauty, wealth, and power are known to emerge from her grace. She is fluid in her expression, sometimes appearing as an enchanting maiden, at other times as a regal python, Eke, which serves as her sacred totem. This fluidity is also a part of her nature, which makes her unbound by rigid definitions of gender or form. She shows up in this reality in whatever form pleases her. Her influence extends into the world of art and creativity. Music, dance, and healing are considered gifts at their peak manifestation from Oshimmiri. Those who are particularly talented in these areas are usually seen as touched by her energy, moving through life with the grace and magnetism of flowing water, whether or not they are conscious of it. Concluding thoughts. Understanding Oshimmiri's energy is equivalent to having insight on the very essence of life itself. This cosmic force reminds us that just as water flows, nourishes, and transforms, so must we. To be in tune with Oshimmiri means to be at ease with both the calm and the storms within us, for all of it is her. For Odinani practitioners, honoring Oshimmiri should extend beyond rituals at the riverbank. We can honor this cosmic energy by recognizing her imprints within the fluidity of your emotions, the creativity you channel, and the life-giving force of water that sustains you every day. May we never forget that as long as we drink water, we are forever connected to Oshimmiri, the eternal mother of the waters. Ise